Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. So from any screen, you go to your music. That's the record that I'm choosing to play. If you look at the bottom there, you've got a silver triangle and 3 silver circles. Click on there. It's only showing iPhone at the moment. It's not picking the Mercedes Benz system up. So sometimes it doesn't. And on this occasion, I'm glad it doesn't, because now I can show you how you do it. So if we click on the menu, we go to media, click on media. There you go. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth. So it's now showing a tick. I'm going to turn it down, go back to the record, turn that down, and then when I turn this up again, that's enough. You'll know what that is straight away. That's how you play music.